Today we're looking at common factors of a polynomial. So once again, reading all the information, you should get an idea on how it works. So when I come to this equation on the second side, I can see that it's asking me to factor each binomial. So once again, to factor it, I'm going to break it down. Factor means bring in brackets. So 6n is equal to 2 times 3 is 6 times n. 9 is equal to 3 times 3. They both have a 3, so I bring it out. Factor, bring in brackets. What's left of the 6n? 2n. Bring down the plus sign. What's left of the 9 is 3. Done. Same thing here. 6c is equal to 2 times 3 times c. 4c squared is equal to 2 times 2 is 4 times c. They both have a 2. They both have a c. Bring it out. Factoring, bring in brackets. What am I left here? With a 3 down below. Bring the sign back in. Here I'm left with 2c. Answer. Now once down here, we're going to factor again. So we always try to factor. Look for things that you can pull out, and that's the key. You're looking for things, because in grade 10 and 11 and 12, you're going to do the same thing. You're looking for things. So here, I can take 5 is equal to 5 times 1. 10g is equal to 5 times 2 times g. 5g is equal to 5 times g times g. What kind of, they all have a 5, so I bring it out. What's left? A 1. Left, bring the negative sign back. What's left? 2g. Bring the negative, the minus sign in. What's left? G squared. Check it. 5 times 1 is 5. 5 times negative 2 is negative 10g. And 5 times g, which is that imaginary 1 there, it'll be negative 5g squared. Same, so it's correct. So it's a quick check to find out if I did everything right. Factor this trinomial, last one. So once again, they're all negative. So this time I'm going to take negative 12 x cubed y is equal to negative 1 times 2 is 4 times 3 is negative 12 times x times x times x times y. Negative 20 xy is equal to negative 1 times 2 is 4 times 5 gives me negative 20 times x times y times y. There's two of them. And negative 16 x squared y squared. Once again, negative 1 times 2 is 4 times 2 is 8 times 2 is 16 times x times y times y. They all have a negative 1. They all have a 2. They all have a second 2. That's it. They all have an x. They all have a y. And that is it. So negative 1 times 2 is negative 2, times 2 is negative 4, xy. What is left up here, because we're putting brackets in? Here I got 3x squared. Because I've taken the negative sign out there, that means it's going to be plus. Here I'm left with 5y. Down here, negative sign is gone, so it's going to be plus. Here I'm left with 2 times 2 is 4, xy. A quick check to make sure it's right. Negative 4 times 3 is negative 12, x squared y. Negative 4 times 5 is negative 20, xy squared. And negative 4 times 4 is negative 16, x squared y squared. Same answer, correct.